Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you the app. It's called Facebook Lite. So it's a really well known uh, app. So you can see it's called Facebook Lite. You can get this app Google Play Store and App Store, and you can see the rating of the 4.2 out of 5. And when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really good. And you can see 24 million reviews. It means 24 million plus people already write something about this app. So good thing is the app is really uh, short size. You can see 2.2 megabyte only, and 1 billion plus people already downloaded this app. And here are some piece. You can see you can install a message here. You don't need any messenger. You can message, or you can use only one app. And if you want to see about this app, there you can see there is something. And the app is released 2015. Okay, and there are some ratings and reviews. If you want, then you can go and you can choose 5-star rating and 1-star rating. So you can check. So it's really good app you can use. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.